Hello everyone, today I will show you how to create a simple paper airplane, and this is a combination of different paper airplanes. I got inspired from the classic dart, the dart, and the professional, and I will show you how to create now. To make the starship, you need to use letter size, or you can use A4 paper. Okay. First step, you need to fold the paper in half. Okay. And then I'll start from this edge, fold it to the center crease. And I repeat the same step for the other side. Let me fix this a little bit. This is good if you have a gap in between. Okay? And next step, I will fold this part down to the edge of the top layer. And then repeat the same step for this edge. I will fold it to the center piece. Okay, and then I will fold the edge to match this edge. Okay. And then I repeat the same step for the other side. I fold this edge in. And the next step, I will start from this edge. I fold to the center crease, and I repeat the same step for the other side. I fold this edge to the center crease. Alright, then I open this triangle, and I open this triangle. Okay. Next step, I will match this edge to this edge. I mean the crease. Next step, I will match this edge to this crease. Okay, and then I repeat the same step for the other side. I will match this edge to this crease. Okay, so next step, I will start from this edge. I fold it to the crease here. Then repeat the same step for the other side. Then fold both sides in. Then fold this triangle up to hold the gap. Then fold the paper in half. Let's see what I have here. Okay, next step. I will estimate about half an inch along this edge, from this tip. Okay, and then fold it straight down to this corner. You can see triangle, and then the corner here. Okay. Then repeat the same step for the other side. There you go. So the starship is almost finished, but it cannot fly now. You need to create the elevator. Okay, the easiest way to fold it corner up. Okay, then you repeat the same step for the other side. And we'll curve it up. Okay, open the corner. Now the starship is ready to play. And okay, so if you think this paper airplane is awesome, please like and subscribe. If you don't think so, leave me a comment, and thank you for watching. See you next time.